Hi, this is Amanda with Crafts by Amanda, and today we're going to make succulent pumpkins. You're going to need various fresh succulents and some soil, a medium Cinderella pumpkin, a sharp knife and a spoon, and a container that will fit inside the pumpkin. First, trace the outline of the container on the top of the pumpkin. Next, carefully cut out the top of the pumpkin. Take your time and rotate the pumpkin as you go. The Cinderella pumpkin skins are a little tough, so it might take extra coaxing to get the top off. Use a spoon to pry off the pumpkin cap. Scoop out all the seeds and the flesh. Next, set the container inside the opening. Place a layer of pebbles on the bottom. Fill it to the top with potting soil. Plant the largest succulent in the middle. Plant the smaller succulents all around the larger one. Plant longer pieces so that they cascade over the side of the pumpkin. Continue until the arrangement is full. And there you have it, a gorgeous succulent pumpkin to display on your porch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find more tutorials on craftsbyamanda.com.